In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp and Kanban setup, done the right way. Kanban is all about visualizing work so you can see what's on your plate, what's in motion, and what's finished at a glance. In ClickUp, the board view gives you that classic Kanban experience, and setting it up takes just a minute. Start by heading into your ClickUp workspace. Make sure you're in the space, folder, or list where you actually want this board to live, so your tasks show up in the right place. Next, hover over the plus view button near the top of your screen. Views control how you look at the same set of tasks, and the board view is the one designed for Kanban. From the options that appear, go to the board or Kanban button. It's easy to spot, and once you click it, ClickUp will prepare a new board layout for you based on your current location. A customized view panel will slide in from the right. This is where you can name your board so it's easy to identify later, especially if you'll create multiple boards for different teams or projects. Use a clear, descriptive name and confirm the setup so the view is saved to your workspace. Now it's time to add tasks. In your new board, you can create tasks directly in the columns. Keep task titles short and action-focused, and use one task per clear outcome so cards are easy to scan. After creating a task, open it to edit the details. Add a brief description, attach any relevant files, assign an owner, and set a due date. Everything saves right there, so you don't have to jump away from your board as you refine each task. Next, set the priority for each task. Click the priority field and choose from low, normal, high, or urgent. Consistent prioritization helps your team know what to tackle first. For this example, select high to indicate it needs attention soon, then save your changes so the priority is locked in. If you're working inside a specific area, click into the relevant project, in this case, the one labeled Project 2, so your board reflects the tasks for that context. Finally, adjust the grouping for the board. Click on Grouping By and choose Status. This aligns your columns with your workflow stages, so cards flow from To Do to In Progress and then to Done in a clear, intuitive way. That's all it takes to set up your Kanban in ClickUp. With a named board, well-defined tasks, and clear priorities grouped by status, you'll have a simple, powerful system to organize work and keep momentum.